The Sigma 30mm f1.4 has more compression over the Leica at 25mm f1.7, plus half a stop faster aperture. Obviously, this Sigma will have superior background blur. Today we take a look at how different they look. These two shots are taken at minimum focusing distance with both lenses. Both have gorgeous subject separation, but the Sigma seems just a touch soft at where it focuses. And indeed, the sharpness at f1.4 on the Sigma has been an issue for me. Here are some comparison shots with both lenses at widest aperture, where the Leica is sharp throughout its 10 to 25mm range at the widest aperture f1.7. The Sigma 30mm at f1.4 just seems a bit soft, indecisive, cloudy, unclear, which is demonstrated also here with the brick wall test. But as soon as you stop it down to f1.8, you can see a significant improvement. Let me shoot one of the test shots with Sigma, but at f1.8 this time to see if it looks better. In conclusion, I think the Sigma at f1.4 is definitely usable in video, but I would stop it down a little bit if I need to shoot portrait and want the subject to be sharp. The Leica, on the other hand, is just incredible, a brilliant lens with impeccable image quality.